Did you know Trinidad and Tobago became one of the richest countries in the Caribbean using one resource Jamaica never had? Let me explain. In the 1960s, Jamaica and Trinidad were almost equal in economic strength. But Trinidad had one big advantage: oil and natural gas. Instead of exporting raw oil the cheap way, Trinidad invested heavily in oil refineries, natural gas processing, petrochemical plants. This meant Trinidad wasn't just selling the resource, they were selling finished products like gasoline, ammonia, methanol, and energy. While Trinidad was building factories and energy plants, Jamaica focused more on tourism and exporting raw materials like bauxite. Here's the difference. Selling raw bauxite makes a little money, but turning raw energy into manufactured goods makes big money. By the 1990s, Trinidad was earning billions from energy exports, while Jamaica was spending more on imports than it produced. So that's how Trinidad became one of the Caribbean's wealth leaders, not because they had oil, but because they processed it and built an entire industry around it. The question is, if Jamaica invested more in manufacturing and high-value industries today, could we catch up? Comment below. Follow at Alpha Facts for real history they never teach in school.